We are not in any way not bright enough to compete worldwide. We just, I suppose, and that's my plea here. It sounds like I'm begging, but we need more support. We need more funding. We need, but this, for me, is a great start, and it brings together people like this that then realize that what is capable. This is a phenomenal piece of equipment with many possibilities and many components that can be manufactured and produced in this HIP for local industry. That eliminates the need to import and send all the money out. So yeah, I don't want, let's not drop the ball or slow down, let's just keep going. There's lots to do. Thank you.